بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله وقولوا قولا سديدا يصلح لكم أعمالكم ويغفر لكم ذنوبكم ومن يطع الله ورسوله فقد فاز فوزا عظيما إنا عرضنا الأمانة على السماوات والأرض والجبال فأبين أن يحملنها وأشفقن منها وحملها الإنسان إنه كان ظلوما جهولا ليعذب الله المنافقين والمنافقات والمشركين والمشركات ويتوب الله على المؤمنين والمؤمنات وكان الله غفورا رحيما صدق الله العظيم.
Assalamu alaikum. A very good morning to our distinguished chief guest, honored speakers, respected guests, participants, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the Maldives Association of HR Professionals, it is my great pleasure to welcome you to the MAHRP HR Best Practice Share 2026, organized in partnership with Zikura International College. We are delighted to have you with us this morning as we come together to exchange ideas, share experiences, and strengthen the future of human resource management in the Maldives. Before we begin today's program, allow me to briefly introduce MAHRP. The Maldives Association of HR Professionals was established in February 2018 with a vision of championing human capital excellence. Our mission is to bring together HR professionals, business leaders, educators, and aspiring professionals to promote HR practices, develop future-ready leaders, and contribute to the advancement of the profession across the Maldives. Over the past 8 years, MAHRP has successfully organized national conferences, HR knowledge sharing programs, leadership forums, and professional development initiatives benefiting close to 4,000 participants from both the public and private sectors. Today's program represents a significant milestone for MAHRP. While many of our programs have traditionally been held in the Greater Malé region, it has always been our aspiration to take these learning opportunities across the Maldives. We are therefore delighted to host this event here in the beautiful city of Fuamula, strengthening partnerships and supporting the continued growth of HR professionals and organizational leaders throughout the country. Before we proceed, we would like to express our sincere appreciation to Zikura International College for partnering with MAHRP and graciously hosting today's event. The Chairman, Management, Faculty and Staff of Zikura International College for their outstanding support, commitment, and hospitality. The Formula City Council, especially our chief guest, for supporting initiatives that contribute to human capital development and community growth. Your partnership has made today's program possible, and we sincerely thank you for your continued support. We encourage everyone to actively participate, ask questions, engage with our speakers, and take advantage of the networking opportunities throughout today's program. Without further delay, let us proceed with today's official agenda. To seek the blessings of Almighty Allah upon today's program, we began this morning with the beautiful recitation of verses from the Holy Quran. Our sincere appreciation to Hafiz Rayu Bashir for the beautiful recitation. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless today's program and everyone present. Ameen. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the MAHRP HR Best Practice Share 2026. It is a privilege to have all of you with us this morning, and we hope today's program provides valuable learning, meaningful discussions, and opportunities to build lasting professional connections. It is now my pleasure to invite the President of MAHRP, Mr. Ahmad Ibrahim, to deliver the welcoming remarks. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in warmly welcoming Mr. Ahmad Ibrahim.
A beautiful morning, everyone. Good morning. How are you all doing today? All good? How many of you are grateful that you are here today? Yes? Very well. Thank you. Thank you. On behalf of MAHRP Exco, I would like to warmly welcome all of you to this beautiful HR Best Practice Share which we are having for the first time in the beautiful city of Afun City of Formula. We are very honored, on behalf of MAHRP, we are very honored for the hospitality and also the warmness and of the people that, we have seen over the days. And this is the first time, as our MC also mentioned, for the first time we are having this kind of session in Formula. We had our first session in Addo that was long back, but in the recent history, this is the first time we are having. So let's give all of us a round of applause for making this happen. Yeah, Chief Guest, Mayor Ismail, and also Amir, Vice Rector of Zikura International College, the council members, the management of Zikura College, and also all the participants. We are very humbled from MAHRP to have this session in Formula. Because one of the MAHRP's mission, we formed MAHRP 6 to 7 years back in 2017. Our mission is to connect the professionals across the Maldives, not only in the greater Male, and also to collaborate and share the best practices which is happening across the globe. And our theme for today is on sharing the HR practices or the people management practices for 21st century. And also creating the kind of mindset and culture among our citizens in Afun City. So 21st century started in 2000, but there has been dramatic changes. I mean, it's enormous, rapid changes happening across the globe, unlike other centuries, especially from after 2010, the things have been changing. The world we live is very uncertain. We call it VUCA world. It's volatile, uncertain, and it's ambiguous. So how do we thrive? How do we succeed in this kind of environment? And Afun City being as a mission and a vision to be the best city in the Maldives and also across the globe. So we have a lot of work to do. And I believe that this session will inspire you, will motivate you, will enable you to learn so many practices that the panelists and also the keynote speakers will share with all the audience here. So I would like all of you to be very careful, listen very carefully, and take your notes so that you can go back to your workplaces and then apply it. So once we apply the success, we will see over time. So this is a extremely honored day for us, and also this event, I'm sure that it will add so much of value to all the participants and also the citizen of Afun City. So I hope that everyone will learn and you will get inspired from today's sharing from all our panelists and speakers. Thank you very much. Have a blessed day. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Ahmad Ibrahim, for setting the stage for today's program. I now have the pleasure of inviting Mr. Mohammed Amir, Deputy Vice Rector of Zikura International College, to deliver his remarks.
Assalamu alaikum. Kenneth Tahoria Befro. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Salatu wassalam ala ashrafil anbiya'i wal mursaleen wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Honorable Chief Guest, Mayor Ismail Rafiq, Exco of MAHRP, and the participants, I'm very pleased to have you all in this beautiful hall. I can see people from different organizations. I can see people from different industries. That's what we are always looking for. I met Mr. Afif, I think, 3-4 years back from one of your very first, I think this is the second conference, back in Male, HR National Conference. And on that day also, I think I have shared that from Zikura International College, myself and Ms. Niaf, unfortunately, she wasn't able to be here. On that day, I shared with Afif that we want these type of events in different parts of Maldives. We are here to support. We want to bring these type of sessions, this knowledge sharing to different parts of the world, different parts of these Maldives, especially where I work now. I'm not from this city. As Afif said, I also have dual citizenship, dual residency. I love this city. I love this city. So I want to contribute, and Zikura International College, we want to contribute to the community. It's our chairman's philosophy that to contribute to the community. It's a very long journey, I think years. You'll know very much that it's from the Jihadiya school. Yesterday, he said he was the first librarian, worked there, right? So by then, we, Zikura International College, we are contributing to the community to develop people. There are many people, there are many students who graduate from our institution. And most of the time that what I hear from the industry is that the recent graduates, they lack the skills. They lack some of the skills that necessary for them to perform in their job. So on behalf of a higher education institution, I think it's our responsibility to create this type of atmosphere where educators and the practitioners can meet together. Okay, we teach them theories. We teach them best practices, but every organization is unique. Every person is unique. And every organization demands different set of skills. That's what we are here to learn, how we can contribute to our community, how we can develop people. There's only one me here. If you try, as an employer, if you try to make me as Afif, you fail. You can't make me Afif. And Afif, you can't be me. Right? So every person is unique. That's the nicest thing about the people. Every person brings a unique value to the organization. So in the 21st century, when we talk about HR, we don't talk about always recruitment, hiring people, hiring, firing, performance appraisal, not all that we are going to talk about. We talk about building people. We talk about developing mindsets, creating a positive mindset. So that's what we are here. The buildings don't create great organizations. Infrastructures, policies, strategies alone don't create great organizations, but people do create great organizations. So people are something that cannot be replaced. If you say that I can be replaced, you can be replaced, no, you cannot be replaced. But the tasks can be done, but in a different way. So everybody is unique. We can have many mayors here, but we can only have one Ismail Rafiq. We can have many professional speakers, but everybody can't bring that energy like Afif, like years. So that's what we are here. So I'm very honored to be here, and I would like to thank MAHRP, especially Mr. Afif, for bringing this event to this beautiful city of Formula. And also, I would like to thank Mayor for all these type of events that we organize here. The City Council, they always partner with us. Even though the name is not there, they always partner with us. They give that. Every time we meet, we talk about this, right? And luckily I'm here. I don't know if Argentina was beaten this last night. I may not be here. Okay, from that, with this, I'll conclude my remarks. From that team, Cabo Verde, how many of you heard that team? The name of the team, name of that country from World Cup only, never, right? This is the first time. 500,000 people. But their mindset, they are playing against the world champion. Their mindset, their belief, their courage is what I have noticed. So that's what we need to make the organizations successful. I was fortunate to be there the last night on the service excellence session. The same thing. So there are many examples from this great event, this World Cup, that we can take. Okay, with this, I'll leave you because there are many interesting keynotes, a panel discussion lineup. So once again, thank you everyone for participating in this event. I hope this will not be the last. And I met Mr. Iyaz also last night, and I told that MAPSA, right? Maldives Association for Professional Speakers. There are many students, and there are many people here in this city also want to become professional speakers. I'm very happy to announce that Mr. Ayers has promised me that he will bring that also to this city. Thank you, MAP. Thank you, MAPSA. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you very much, Mr. Muhammad Amir, for your inspiring words and for the continued support extended by Zikura International College. It is now my honor to invite our chief guest, Mr. Ismail Rafiq, Mayor of Fuamala City, to address today's gathering. Mayor.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. MAHRP के प्रेसिडेंट, Zikura College के डेप्यूटी वाइस रेक्टर, MAHRP के स्को मेंबरों, काउंसिल के DG आदि हुरिया HR प्रोफेशनल्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू. आदम फरतम समा बराबर शुक्र अदा करूँ MAHRP के टीम और उन्हें मिफ्रस देवीती आने मिकाला मुहिम kamega muhim programmega den MAHRP ki salwana mi har dunia kame vanya am ko social media engene de mi kam gaana ka dehas satar so isagna MAHRP wargine fenna mi Facebook afif men eche share kuratana event ba batana den osan demak check kolla hangna mi message em furtama communicate ko fendi ko ngaroto afifa dehas ba ga ben when is your trip to south alaf hatta safim ko geneveto kuri masakka den mi hamon faha kollan eki professional takun e bag professional kuri non kura masakka ama yagino mesmi MAHRP ki ege namuna ama rajye ge savara baur professional ta bhori ekam ge jamiyat en bhori ekam milevel ga e professional courier wan e passionate ko masakura team e alno dekema wara boda ama ekam faha ko tiana wara boda shukra da geta den mi session na balarone HR narajsha kurun mi galus emmen wara fasehen dakawa ke almenge emme bodo setaki muwazzafunne almenge emme bodo resource ki muwazzafunne ekamo ke muwazzafun e resource manage kuran almen konkametto kurani nanta badave alsme em forta wazifa ke der almenge HR team mi kiyani personal department den fahun nanta badave HR council gets my brother coughing people and culture. Nanta badave then ekama aslo hagi gatoga muwazzafun a resource a muhim asset manage kurang konkametto kurani. A knowledge almenge muwazzafun na ebalibeto. As an organization almekan the courier one masakoni ki havarkatto focus koni ki havarkatto. Ema mikankan al hinama mi e danje gotak gendiuma kannege MAHRP masake mi kurabani adi hama ekamuge tereng almenas adi hasugo formulage office takun amil office ta vs sarkar office ta vs mike furihama beenun hifange baje mikala program taka baveri ve elbe malumatun almenge ane human resource taraki kurang masake kurang baje ane mi zamana ba hara tafadu badatenge baade digital transformation the fahum almenge mi dakka AI mi wahakata Adi hama yako mi ane mi badalman duniyega HR function ege role eba ege waje badal bawe adi hama yako alme hidumadde mi customer nune rayitunge expectation war boda badalwe ema mikanta tahu galmenge muwazzafun kuriyat dani nuni amal korana kinetto ege waje komme ofi heavies idara heavies etana rayitun fenani etanuge muwazzafun kurama sakata muwazzafun naki muassasage face monumati vima resource manzar dakkan alumen kuranje kanta warabbar him alum ummidaki mikhala program to terein ama komme sarege anekas itur kurer malunge muwazzafun HR manage kurumuga libigen dane kama ama yaginos algon masami kurani alumenge full state council ga omen mi tafat dekketo ema HR function improve kurumuga alumen hama team mi debba hite kam faha kurang alumen hama mi council muwazzafun ama sugge masalumen kuriges ama afif adi hama yawas rantake nangawa devvi adi hama irat kuriya maadasul menge session ne boy ema mikama focus kurang ebajehe city council yes MTC yes adi hama saka mi private sector ina mange dive in scope yes commetane yes ema mi ama yagino yes alme councilung mi kali benta babang ama alme ke bal begendane am zikuras amir fahin kota almen war guligen masake bakurang migota mikala professional area ta develop kurumuga mi knowledge genamuga knowledge share kurumuga adi hama experience share kurumuga ema ahma request ki huriha office ta converse conference ta converse almen embrace ko ma hinga she mianna badata almen adopt ko ma hinga she mianna changes ta digitalization na AI ya adi hama AI ko duniyege HR mi landscape kanna badata bala dirasa ko ingi ekantata alumenge level ga alumenge city kitam kodavies alumenge musada kodavies ekantata implement kura ei Microsoft ga wakurias Google wakurias Zikura wakurias muwazzafun ki muwazzafun HR professional ki HR professional sing kura masakati ki masakati ma mi visnumuga alu masakko alumenge musatakun alumenge sitting mitafat feni alekas mi hama alumenge formula ki center of excellence koma kamage vies ekan dakkan alumenge masaka korma hingashe ema ekamataka dis faram mapunti isnagang mikora masakata warabada shukura da korang ekamogama Zikura College ti admiwen bemugas mapa gulgen mikora masakam fahan ko shukura da korang adiyama yako mikali bentawga formula ko musatakum konfunitakum viafaritakum baveribe mi kantata kamyab kam kuren gendum tide bahi terkma shukura da korang al dua ki al mikora masakata ma baraka lafum shukriya wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Thank you, Mayor, for your encouraging and inspiring message. We sincerely appreciate your support for developing human capital and strengthening HR excellence in the Maldives. Before we start our first keynote, let me invite Mr. Afif, MAHRP Vice President, to energize the audience.
One. Assalamu alaikum. How's everyone doing? Oh, it's a Saturday, and today is 4th of July. It's a great day, by the way. Can you turn to the person next to you and say it's a great day? Tell them. Yeah. Thank you, Mayor. Thank you, Ahmed. Thank you, Ahmed, for the wise words that you have shared. I just want to highlight 3 things. Number 1, the reason why this event is happening today is because, you know, when you want to get something done, what's the first question that you ask? What's the first question that you ask? Can we do this, right? Yeah. And, you know, imagine if I ask, when we ask from MAHRP, when we ask Zikura College team, we would like to come to Formula City and do this. And if the first, we said that can we do this? Imagine if the first question that Amir asked me was, how are we going to do the banner? But this was the first thing their team said, Niaf and Amir. 3 words, Amir and Niaf said. Can anyone guess those 3 words? Yeah, can do. A very popular sports brand have their tagline as those 3 words. Thank you, Nike. Like, Niaf, I still have the text message. Let's do it. Because the logistics and all this comes later on, right? Yeah. The reason, so that's number 1. Number 2 is, the reason why this event is happening today is because the Zikura International College, Formula City are 2 organizations that are very easy to deal with. And that is not determined by the competence. This is determined by the mindset of the people. Let's do it. Let's make it happen. How can we help, right? And that's exactly. The number 3 point I'd like to highlight is to appreciate one gentleman among this audience who really did all the logistics. As many of you know, we are not based in here, but we're based elsewhere. I would like to, all of you to put your hands together for Nizar from Zikura College. Because that gentleman, I thought I was good in follow-up until I met him. Like me, the last week I wake up in the morning, the first missed call is from Nizar. Afi, where is this, where is that, where is that? And I said to myself, I need to upgrade my game on follow-up. Right? I really mean it, Nizar. You are an incredible colleague and asset for this team because I know Amir and the team delegated the task to you, and I saw that you are really empowered to make it happen. And whatever you see here today is because of Nizar and the team, and of course, collaboration from many other supporters here. So once again, let's give Nizar a round of applause, everyone. Before we invite Yas, I would like to highlight that, if you want to learn something new, it's very important the energy we bring in. Because the energy helps us to connect. It helps us to activate the mindset within us to learn what we probably may know. Because there are things we know, we don't know. And the worst is not even realizing what you don't even know. Right? So, can I invite all of you to join a little icebreaker with me? Energizer, ready? Yeah, take your 2 hands up, everyone. And rub your hands together. You know this, we did it last night. I see some of you are experts in this now. Oh, come on, rub your hands together. Rub. Clap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Keep your hands like this. When I say go, I would like to give high five to the person next to you. Before you give high five, could you ask, is it okay if I touch your hand? Ask them. All right, come on, rub your hands together. Rub. Clap 3 times. High five and say, please be my learning partner. Yeah. Very good. So, your learning partner is, for example, we have, great speakers. We have Yas, we have Ahmad is going to be speaking about, and I'll do the closing remarks. Yas is going to be speaking about growth mindset, Ahmad on agile leadership. As Maya mentioned, these are important, and I like what he said. Any company in the world, HR is the HR team. But what they do makes the difference, right? So every time at the end of the session, you may want to talk to your learning partner. What is something that you learn, right? So make sure that you do that. Show me your learning partner. Who's your learning partner? Good. I see these tables are some of you at the back, right? By the way, these 3 tables over here, this is first class. The second table is business class. The third is premium economy. The next is 4th is economy. And by the way, the last 3 tables is cargo section. All right? I saw some of you when you came, you first sat at the cargo section. Some of you upgraded to the first business class, right? So show me your learning partner once again. Show me your learning partner. Good. Let's do a little last energizer. Ready? 1, 2, 3. When I say go, take your 2 hands and turn to the person. You go like, ta-da, you're my learning partner. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. All right. Give yourself a round of applause, everyone. Or whatever event MC. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Afif. Ladies and gentlemen, our opening keynote is titled Growth Mindset for People Leaders. It is my pleasure to invite Mr. Iyaz Wahid, Growth Mindset Advocate and President of the Maldives Professional Speakers Association. Please join me in giving him a warm round of applause.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Varha ufavege aslu mitana giunumma. Ko abben kinak. Rangala doge. Marenga timong hitati aranet. Mikal. Konkale ke ai. Ijerei mai. Den timong hitara etakis martenge. Konkale furani. Ado furani. Mirashi vendi mas bondo vi. Hama marenga tate. Waraha bonda Zikura MAHRP team Afif Ahmad Ali Mikada Fursata. Hama ekani mi fursata nandoge. Mage growth janiye waraha bondo bae asdo mimi hunnagi. Emma mage speeches ado evahaka kommesara kawa highlight ko denneni. Hama yako Maya Ismail do ekakon denna tana fudewara zaman vege hemmata hiwen. After deverim vegenas kama start karima. They has Navara Vanaharo Business Innovation Week at the Entrepreneurship Career Rwanda. Amiru Denakabeni Modis Professional Speakers Association and Afung the Mikeda events the Ginan and Wahaka Mustakbadi. Ma Mitanida announced code and the Berno Mivagute Business Innovation Week as Ambera Aleng Ma Modoko of Mihara Dagin. Then Emma Faramangate. Good morning, everyone. How are you doing? Are you still sleeping? All right. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, that's like a MAHRP event now. Okay. Think. When somebody says growth, what comes to your mind? When somebody says, is it becoming bigger or taller like Ahmed? Or becoming bigger or growing? Just give a thought. Let's dive into this one. Before that, I want to tell you a little bit about my growth journey. It all started in 1978, just before President Gayoom became the president. I was born in this island. Not at a hospital, at a very small house, mostly made out of sticks and Cajun leaves. That's the house. I still keep my permanent address. You might know it. Other of you knows my house name. And we were very lucky enough to finish all the well in the island. So this is the class of 1994, the boys crowd, and I was there. Class of 1994 was a special class. I was always very connected to them. Even yesterday evening, we had tea at a restaurant here with all our classmates. This is after how many years? So, I was also lucky enough to pass, or to get a pass, and to get into CHSC. Now, it was called SCC back then. So this is class of 1997, doing first ever trip. Any students of Maldivian school did abroad.